Wait. Lily, do you see that pulse? Something's still powered up under here.
His boot sequence is non-standard.
He's not a toy, Alex. He's an AI. The bridge is jammed. We'll never get across with that piston locked up.
Analysis complete. Thermal expansion detected in piston 4.
Wait, piston 4? That's the primary load-bearing joint.
Looks like we found the weak point.
It's holding. Science for the win! This terminal is still linked to the mainframe. It's asking for a cipher.
Cipher broken. Accessing core memories.
That doesn't sound like a welcome chime.
We need to move now!
Go, go, go! It's closing too fast! We're trapped! This grate is bolted from the other side.
Structural failure point identified. Apply pressure to coordinate B-4.
Just a little more! Come on! Whoa! I don't think this is on the city map. The signal is strongest here. It's an SOS, Alex. A loop.
Adjusting the frequency modulation now.
Fluctuation detected. Compensating automatically. Levels stabilizing.
Warning. Biosphere failure in progress. Source detected.
Every adventure is a puzzle, right, Lily? Let's go solve this one. The source is in the industrial sector. Wrench is ready. Tablet is charged. We're as prepared as we're gonna be, Mito.
Drones. We can't just walk up and hack the keypad.
Mito, if you can lead them to the east fence, we can hit the override. Almost. There. Security layers are dropping. Good work, buddy. You actually pulled it off. The source is just past these cooling towers. Stay low.
Warning. System integrity failing. Virus detected.
Whoa! The pressure is off the charts. We have to shut this valve.
There it is.
There it is. The heart of the whole city. The firewall is gone! It's gonna overload the entire grid!
I can't do this from the terminal. But you can. Be careful, Mito.
We did it! Look at the skyline, Lily. It's clear.
Hey, wait! I've never seen a circuit like this before. Here we go again.